Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, a warm welcome to you too. So in this video we're gonna learn how to pronounce this beautiful Nigerian name. It's actually known to the Igbo people from the southeastern region of Nigeria. It's quite popular around that region. So this name is actually pronounced as Chinyere. Chinyere. So it's Chee-nyeh-reh. Chinyere. Chinyere. For the last time, it's Chinyere. Alright, so if this video has helped you in any ways, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be dropping pronunciations videos for Nigerian names. And if you have any Nigerian name you've been struggling with, please feel free to